Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope that you're having a wonderful day and that you are doing well. In today's video, I'm actually so excited for this video because it has been a while since I filmed a proper tea unboxing tea haul video. This is a David's tea haul and it's been so long. I've actually ordered so many David's tea packages over the past year, but with just school life, university life, it has just been so busy and I've just kind of done little unboxings on my Instagram stories, but finals are over, so I thought, and I just ordered this and it came and I'm like, you know what, this is a perfect time to film a David's tea unboxing of what I picked out. There was this awesome 25% off sale, so I stocked up on some favorites. And I don't know about you guys, but like I go through my favorite teas so fast and I'm always stocking up. And so I always feel like when my David's tea haul videos are always like kind of like showcase usually my like favorite teas often, but also, you know, sometimes I pick out some things I haven't tried before. But in this package, it's going to be all of my new favorite teas or like long-time favorite teas. Also, on that note, I am going to finally be filming a proper tea collection video. I actually filmed one back in, I want to say it was like 2017, 2018, and then I never ended up finishing filming that video. So needless to say, my tea collection is it's huge, and I'm actually really actively working on like downsizing my tea collection because, as I mentioned, I kind of have my favorites, and then I used to like buy a lot of teas just to try them and realize like, oh, I don't know if I like that tea as much, so I don't reach for it as much. So I kind of want to get my collection down to a place where it's just like my top favorite teas, and then ones that I'll have, you know, for special occasions, things like that. And Dinah, do you guys see Dinah? She dropped her little candy cane. You got it? Okay, cool. All right, so without further ado, make sure to grab, of course, your own cup of tea. I'm actually having Japanese Sencha Green tea from DAVIDsTEA, and I can't remember if I ordered more of it. I hope I did because I'm on my last little bit. It tastes so delicious. It's just a lovely green tea. It's the best way that I can describe it. If you love like jasmine tea, if you love sencha tea, like green tea, it's just like, it's like an earthy kind of floral, just very delicate floral like tea. I don't know, like it's just, for me, even though it has like the caffeine in it, it's just kind of a calming tea for me at the same time. So without further ado, a virtual cheers, and let's head back into today's video. Okay, so we're gonna open this up. I'm so excited, guys. It just feels so good to be filming a DAVIDsTEA unboxing because it has just been, it's been a while. And since I think my last proper filming DAVIDsTEA like haul video, they've changed their boxes. They're more eco-friendly, you guys can see. And their paper has also changed, which is cool. And then this is also something new that they've been doing. They have these little fun little inserts. All right, so here is a look at all the delicious teas I have in here. I'm really excited to see what's in here. Yes, okay. So speaking of which, I just pulled out another organic Japanese sencha. And that's also something new that has changed, if you guys didn't know. DAVIDsTEA wanted to be completely organic. So a lot of their teas kind of disappeared for a little bit, and they're being reintroduced as organic, which I think is amazing that they've done that. So this is now the organic Japanese sencha green tea from DAVIDsTEA. And I think I could check here. I feel like I ordered 100 grams, so I got 2 here. Let me just see. I think that's it, yeah. So I got 2 50 grams, so 100 grams. In here it says it's an organic steamed green tea from Japan. And that's a little look at it. Let me try to gather these up. Okay, this tea is new and I loved it. I ordered my last DAVIDsTEA little kind of clip that I did on Instagram. I showed this tea and I only ordered 50 grams because I wanted to try it out, and I fell in love with it. And it's a seasonal tea, so it's not part of their permanent collection. And I feel like I need to stock up on more because I love it. It's called Japanese Oolong Tea. So it's a green tea oolong kind of mixed tea. And if you guys don't know, green tea and oolong teas, those are like my favorite teas. So having it in one, it is so good. So in here it says it's oolong tea from Taiwan, scented with jasmine flowers. It is so good. If you're a fan of oolong, if you're a fan of jasmine tea, try this. I am obsessed with it. I love it. I'll have a link down below on where you can find it. But yeah, it is seasonal. So I would say that if you're like me and you love jasmine and you love oolong, don't get 50 grams like I first did. Definitely get at least like 200 grams of it. It is so good. So here I got, of course, 200 grams myself. And I don't think this is going to be enough. I definitely think I need to stock up more. But just with life as a student, you know, mature student at university, I always kind of have to have a certain tea budget now. But that's what I picked out. It was so good, you guys. I'm probably going to make this once I'm done filming this. And I know I already have tea, but me, I'm always drinking tea. I don't know about any of you guys. I'm always drinking tea, like always. Now, of course, one of my classic teas that I always get from DAVIDsTEA, pretty much on every DAVIDsTEA order, is Organic the Skinny from DAVIDsTEA. This is such a good tea, you guys. It's like another oolong kind of pu'erh tea, and you have organic ginger in it. There's orange peel. There's some natural roots, natural flavorings in it. And this is a wonderful, like, it has caffeine, so it's a wonderful kind of energizing tea, but you have the benefit of the ginger in it as well. So it's helpful with digestion. It's helpful, I think, just for me, it's like a calming tea. I literally have made this tea every day when I go to my classes. Like, this tea gets me through like the day. Like, I'll have like a big like DAVIDsTEA tumbler of it. And I enjoy it so much, but literally I have this tea every single day, sometimes multiple times a day. And again, it's medium caffeine, but I love it. It definitely helps sustain me with that caffeine boost. And it is just so good. If you are a fan of ginger and if you're a fan of like oolong kind of pu'erh teas, definitely give the Organic the Skinny a try. It is so good. So I'm gonna put that here. Look at my little collection of tea sets growing. Are you curious about the teas, Dinah? Yeah, you curious about the teas? So in case you guys don't even know, I don't think I think I did a YouTube short, but Alice is right here. I don't know if you can see her. And then this is little Dinah. Both of them are rescue dogs from Free Korean Dogs. And Dinah I got at the end of November. And she's such a little joy. She's coming a long way, and she's obsessed with playing with toys and chasing them. And it's just lovely seeing her little personality like coming out, and it's amazing. And of course, I named them after characters from Disney's Alice in Wonderland or Lewis Carroll's Alice in Wonderland, because I wanted Canada to be their Wonderland, and they're my little tea helpers. So I just love it. But anyway, back to the haul. We got, okay, this one I'm going to share. I actually have a tea latte video where I make this tea. It's called Chocolate Macaroon. It makes an amazing tea latte. I highly recommend, actually I'll leave a link up above the screen right now where you can find that video, but I highly recommend this tea. You can have it iced, you can have it hot. It is a wonderful latte. It's also just as good on its own, but I personally, like, whenever I'm kind of craving like kind of a chocolatey, kind of hot chocolate, or just something a little more like delicious, you know, like especially like, you know, desserty, I make this and it just satisfies those cravings. So it's called Chocolate Macaroon, as mentioned. In it, it's black tea, toasted coconut, you've got coconut pecans, and you have some rock sugar, and there's some natural chocolate flavoring inside. It is really good, and it had been a while since I stocked up on this. I only got 100 grams, but it's going to see me through the summer. It's going to be so good iced. Like, I'm going to make it as an iced latte. I'm probably going to make it on as a hot latte on those cooler summer, spring days. So really excited for those. And then the last tea that I got, I was so happy to see that it was in stock again. It actually already has some in my tea cupboard because I kind of save it because it's not always in stock online on DAVIDsTEA, but it's the Countess of Seville. It's a green tea. It is so delicious. I still remember when I discovered this tea. I had always seen it, but I never purchased it. And one of my friends actually made it for me when I was visiting, and I fell instantly in love. And I was so surprised I had never purchased any myself, and I like stocked up like crazy since. Inside, it's organic green tea with orange peel, bergamot flavoring, and it just, as you guys can see, it just tastes so good. It's kind of like an Earl Grey green tea almost, and it is so lovely. It's great. So as you can see, that is it for my DAVIDsTEA haul video. I picked up all the teas. So box is empty, and it's, oh my gosh, you guys, it's so good to be filming videos again. I have just missed it so much. So I would love to know if you guys have ordered anything from DAVIDsTEA recently. They've actually been having a lot of awesome like promotions and sales going on. So if you haven't popped over to their website, definitely check them out. All of the teas that I've mentioned, I'll be linking them down below in the description bar of this video. Some of those links may be affiliate links. A huge thank you in advance if you do use those links. It really does help me out a lot. And yeah, let me know out of all these teas, which one would you try first? So let me know down below. But anyway, without further ado, that is it for today's video. I'm wishing you a wonderful, magical rest of your day. Happy spring, happy summer if you're on this side of the world. And I will see you in my next video. Goodbye for now, you guys.